Hello and welcome to my channel again. So I'm going to continue where I left off basically. I'm going to create another function called Init, and this function is going to basically shuffle the cards. So I need to start. I need to create that thing called that index. So this function is just going to be called Init. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to use this.sample, and as you know from this.sample, that just shuffles the cards, as you can see. And then I have to do one thing else. Set the index to naught. And I'm going to also set the dealer count to naught. And that function's done. And I think this is going to be the last function I'm going to create in here. And this one is going to be the thing that, you request a card. So what this function is going to do is it's going to say hit me, hit. Because in blackjack you say hit to get a new card. So this is going to be like this person saying hit and get a new card, okay? And I'm going to give this a parameter, optional parameter. I'm going to set it to false. So what this one means is the dealer is going to operate like a real blackjack dealer, because what they normally do is they cut the cards, and then when they reach to the part that they cut, they shuffle the cards and they start again, so they don't go through the whole deck. So this is going to do that. Okay. So I'm going to do a bit of pasting here. Right. So that will just get the card's length. So what I want to do is, another thing the dealer would do is, the dealer would only shuffle the cards at the beginning of the hand. They wouldn't shuffle the cards near the end. So if I put in if new hand and this starts index divided total cards is greater than 0.5, then we're going to shuffle the cards by doing this dot init. Okay. And then what we're going to now do is equals this dot cards this dot index so what this does is these cards here, every time you do hit, it increments by 1. So what it will do is when you first run it will return 5, then 3, then 12 until the dealer shuffles. Okay, so what that will do is, let me just change that to card. Let's just make it make sense. Alright, so that's the card that we get back. And then what we want to do now is we want to count So what we want to do is, we've got that thing called store count. This starts. So we store the card, we get the count, so we store the count. Every time someone gets a card, we store the count. And then we just return the card. And that is it. We just have to test it. So how I'm going to test it is, I'm going to start that seed thing. In fact, I'll start it here. I'm going to do, take that out. For I'm going to do start push. So as soon as that goes yellow, you know that you made a mistake somewhere. So there you go. And then let me just stringify. I'm being a bit over the top here, I think. But anyway, that will get 10 cards and test. And as you can see, they are all null. So I made a mistake somewhere. So I will now look to see if I made a mistake. Okay, I think I found where the problem is. I didn't shuffle the cards. So all I have to do is do dealer dot init. And if I do test, then that will work. Now what I want to do is I want to test the shuffling of the cards. So what I need to do is I need to put something here just to test it. Cards shuffled. I'm going to put this as 0.1. So that means it will shuffle quicker, basically. Alright. And if I put one deck, then we should see up here, it should say card shuffled. Okay, it's not doing it, so let me have a look. Okay, I can see the error. You need to pass true in before we will consider shuffling. So let me pass true in. What's a quick shuffle? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Because I delayed the result here by doing this. So that's why that shuffle came first. So that's okay. So if I do 30, it should do more than one shuffle. Okay, so that's correct. So that's working right. So So what I want to do now is let's do experiments. Let's take this crew out and let's set it to 54. And it should run out, because it's not going to shuffle, it should just run out of cards. And as you can see, them two nulls there, so it did run out of cards. So this appears to be working. So what I can now do is I can set that back to 0.5. I'll do one more test. And it should shuffle once or twice. It shuffled once. Okay, let me take this seed out. Okay, so that is working. So what I need to do now is get rid of this card shuffled. So halfway through the deck is gonna shuffle the cards. So that's there. So that's done. So this function, there's enough in here to there's enough in here for that. Let me see what do I need to do. So if I need to test the card machine, I can comment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment that out, and then if I need to test the card machine, I just have to comment that back in again. Okay, so the card machine is now finished. Okay, so I can move on to something else in the next couple of videos. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Until next time, bye.